You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so here's what I'm doing today. This is ready for prime, but I'm going to wait until I'm done with this. Alright, so I'm going to install courtesy lights. And I'm going to embed them in this wood here. Okay. In order for me to do that, I need to dig out an amount of wood commensurate with this. This is a Mercedes 126 courtesy light that goes in a glove box, and it doesn't have a, what do you call it, a paper surround or a bucket surround or whatever you want to call it, plastic. There you go. So I have to produce that in this wood. So I'll be doing that with my Dremel. Okay, using my CAD, my cardboard aided design. I'm going to more or less just find a spot such as that, and then I'm going to just dig it out with my my Dremel. I don't have a router. Maybe I should get one. Nah. I don't have a router, so there you go. Trace it there on both, and then I'll just get her done. Yep. That's done on both of them. And I should have. I'm gonna pause. I can undo my vise. Anyhow, here's how it is. Okay, I need to fill it in because I fucked it up, but I also drilled out a little bit of an area in the back, again on both sides, so that when I put the wiring in, I can coil it up there for a little bit of extra, in case, there we go. God damn it. In case it ever comes down for whatever reason, or somebody wants to do something with it, okay? God damn it, I'll pause again and then show you how to look from, well, there it is, right? It's gonna go in, whoops, like so. Obviously, there's a big gap in there, and I'm going to fill in that gap after I put leads on this thing with some JB Weld. It'll harden, and when somebody gently pries this thing out to replace a bulb, perhaps, it won't take the leads. I'll show it to you when I'm done with that as well. And again, I'm going to fill in that gap there so it looks natural. So, not too unhappy. The other side's got the same thing. I'd show that to you, but it's the same. Oops, same no kidding concept. So, I'll stop and show you progress. Not the way I wanted to do it, but effective nonetheless. You can see that I'm going to fill this in with JB Weld to make it look natural, right? And then grind it down, make it look pretty. I've already started on here. So, again, JB Weld. I need to grind that flat. But you can see just where that light will fit in. And plenty of cargo space in the back for wiring. So, if you need to change out a bulb, why, it's just as easy as pulling the whole thing out, and there you go. So, I'll press pause. Okay, check it out. So I'm done. I've got the bulb. It's a Sylvania, obviously, what do you call it? Can type, I think it's called that. And enough space here to let this wire kind of coil up a little bit. So that's how it looks from the other side. Okay. This is not the face you're going to see, obviously, of the entire thing. I'm going to cover this in headliner material, and it'll blend in, I think, very nicely. So I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. Note there's enough depth in there, excuse me, to add the wire and all that other stuff. So the other piece is still over there. I'm gonna final fit that in a sec. I'm gonna paint both of these so that there's just black showing, and that's it. And then I cover it with headliner material. Here's the other one. This is a nice snug fit. It's not too awfully tight. I could probably take this out with my fingernails. Yep. But it doesn't, it's not so loose that it would fall out under bumps and so forth. So, damn it. Cold's coming back. Like I said, I'm going to repaint, make everything black, hang it over there to dry, and then I will put the headliner on, and I'll call that a win. I'm pretty gosh dang happy at how well this came out, to be honest. And here is the last piece of this, right? This is not going to be the entire headliner. This is going to be just the side pieces. The headliner itself is over there, that wrapped up bundle there, as well as seals and everything else. That sucker is going to be gray suede. It's real nice. And there's my cat. Yep, he says hello. Anyhow, so I'm going to cover the sides. Put the light in, and I'm going to call it a night. That's what I'm going to do. So I've more or less cut the shapes out, and I've put the first coat of this stuff, 3M high strength 90 contact adhesive. I've used this before on other stuff, and it is a bitch. So you ever want to glue your hands to your wall or someone's feet to the ceiling, and this is the stuff you use. I'm going to use 2 coats of this stuff. Once this kind of sets up a little bit, I'm going to spray it again. Definitely spray it on the back side here, and as you can see, I'm going to get ready to sew the pieces together too, because this stuff is so thick on the back. So, true story, I was taught to sew at the age of 3. My mom was tired of me tearing the head off my teddy bear. She taught me to sew, how to thread the needle and put it back on. So, yeah, that and active duty time will definitely help you learn to sew. So, once I'm done, I'm going to just put that onto here, set it, sew it, and then call it a day, and probably put something onto it to kind of compress it and make sure it doesn't come off. So I'll show you the end result in a bit. And I am pleased to say that I am done. This is what I was sewing on the back, right? I've got one more to do. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Where'd it go? Shit, I got one more somewhere. Oh, there it is. Thank God. I'm going to be a little bit more judicious with overhang, but I sewed this together so that it would keep together. You can see that there's padding in there, right? And the glue was hanging onto the padding, and so I sewed it all the way down through here, right? So, pretty good job. Yada, yada, yada. There's the tie-down mechanism. I will probably take this off and repaint it, make it silver. Here's how it all looks. There's the courtesy light. And, let me see. Here's a courtesy light turned on. I'm just using my battery charger, but damn it. That's how it looks. Yeah. So, might pause, turn off some lights. Nah, fuck it. But not bad, not bad. The curves are pretty good. The seams are pretty good. That is going to get redone. I may put in some more stitches there at the bottom, down through here. But once that's on, you're not going to see it. So, not bad. I am pleased. I will do the other one tomorrow. I'll do the other one tomorrow because I just want to sit down. I want to eat something. I want to, relax. So, yep, I am not too displeased. Not at all.